Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Roslyn Sumalbag, 34 years old, married, no child yet. I live at San Jose Rojas, Isabela. I have one brother and one sister. I am the eldest among the family. I am college graduate. I took Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have work experience here in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve one couple and 2 children as a housemaid. I do cleaning, cooking, ironing, laundry. I assist the children going to school, help them take a bath, prepare them food, and taking care of the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I use the temperature to check and call the employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, trustworthy, and hardworking, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to save money for our future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take over your responsibilities at home?
My husband, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will make myself busy and remind that I need this job.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
Around 10 p.m., sir, and 5 a.m. at the morning.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will stay calm, sir, and need more patience.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
My message to my future employer, I hope you select me because I am hardworking, honest, and I am willing to serve your family.
Okay.